Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you the secret that dentists are hiding from us, whitening teeth, and will get you teeth whitening at home. It removes tartar and the tartar will fall on its own and you will get pearl white teeth and snow white teeth at home, my friends, with very simple ingredients. You will remove the teeth tartar and you will get scaling teeth. The first ingredient we need in a clean mixing bowl, we need to add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, and here I'm using Colgate toothpaste. Add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. Now mix the ingredients very well. After mixing well the ingredients, we need to add 1 teaspoon of olive oils, and mix again. Friends, we need to add 1 small teaspoon of lemon juice. Get 1 lemon and cut the lemon in half like so, and add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, and again mix well the ingredients. Now after mixing and combining all the ingredients, store it in a container like so. It lasts for a long time. It's not gonna go bad or anything. This remedy lasts for a long time in room temperature. With your toothbrush, dip in your toothbrush into the remedy like so, and brush your teeth from upside down and from down to up like so, whitening the teeth from first use, and you will remove the teeth tartar. It will fall on its own and you will get teeth scaling at home, my friends, and you will be amazed with the result. From first use, whitening the teeth naturally, and you will get pearl white teeth.